I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to group lists in the Reminders app on your iPhone. So first, we'll open up our Reminders app. Then on the bottom right, we'll click Add List. Now, this is just if you don't have any extra lists, you can put in a new list here, change all the things that you like, and then click Done. Now, if we go back to the lists again, you can see I have 3 different lists here: Reminders, Grocery List, and Test. To add a group of lists, we're going to tap the icon on the top right with 3 dots, then click Edit Lists. On the bottom left, we'll click Add Group, and then we'll just title this Test or whatever you'd like. Once you add your name, click Include, and you can add any of the lists that you'd like. So we can just tap all of these here. If you'd like to remove it, just tap there and click Remove, and then go back. And once you're ready, click Create. Now you can see where it says Test on the very top here with the gray icon. That is my group of lists in that particular order. And if I click Done, you can see there is the group Test. And if you tap on that little down arrow, it will kind of contract or collapse that list. You can open it again. You can see that particular group of lists. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.